One of the main things that I noticed when I was forest bathing is that I would often get tired and want to fall asleep. This was especially prominent when the sun was out and it was warm, but not incredibly hot, and slightly breezy. I definitely noticed that I got sleepier in places that I had a better spot to sit, as well as places that smelled especially good. After a while, I started wondering if this could be related to the fact that forest bathing can help sleep. I also noticed the longer I was out, the more refreshed I was after spending time outside. I also found that I felt most refreshed when I was able to swim and then lay in the sun and take a nap. After these sessions, I felt significantly less irritable and less tired. I found that for the first 15 minutes or so, it was hard to sit still and pay attention. But after that time, I started to settle in and slow down. The more I paid attention to small patterns, the faster I settled into being able to really pay attention to my surroundings. I also noticed the trees changing into the fall colors as time went on, as well as the air getting crisper and colder later in the year. After the rain, it smelled so nice outside. I really liked the part in the book about harvesting wild plants to eat. This is one of my favorite things to do, and I have spent a lot of my life doing this. My family has always relied almost entirely on herbal medicine, so this is something that is already a very big part of my life. I guess a lot of the information in this book was not very surprising, however, I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed learning about all the different medicinal trees and plants they have in Japan that we do not have here in California and I have not heard about before. I have also always noticed how much better I felt after a weekend in the forest foraging my own food. It was encouraging to hear the research that so clearly backed up what I already knew to be true for myself.